Hey there, fellow homeowners! If you're looking to make life a little easier and your home a bit more organized, you've come to the right place. Today, I've got 8 genius home hacks that you absolutely need to try. And trust me, I use these myself, so I know they work. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon for more awesome tips. Number 1. Command hooks for charging cables. Now this is a game changer. I attach command hooks to the side of my desk and nightstand to keep my charging cables neatly organized and within easy reach. No more fishing for cables that fall to the floor. Number 2. Use a rubber band to open stubborn lids. Ever tried to open a jar and it just won't budge? Wrap a rubber band around the lid for extra grip. The added traction makes it so much easier to twist off those tight or stuck lids. Number 3. Magnetic spice rack. Attach small magnets to the lids of your spice jars and stick them to the side of your fridge or a magnetic board. It saves cabinet space and keeps your spices easily accessible. Plus, it looks super cool. Number 4. Pool noodle door stopper. Cut a pool noodle in half lengthwise and place it on the edge of doors to prevent them from slamming shut. This is especially handy if you have young children or pets. Number 5. Use binder clips for cable management. Attach binder clips to the edge of your desk and thread cables through the handles. This keeps your cables organized and prevents them from tangling or falling behind your desk. Number 6. Shower caddy for cleaning supplies. Hang a shower caddy on the inside of a closet door to store all your cleaning supplies. Everything stays in one place, making it easy to grab what you need when it's time to clean. Number 7. DIY ice pack with a sponge. Soak a sponge in water, place it in a plastic bag, and freeze it. It makes a reusable ice pack that won't leak as it melts. Perfect for minor injuries or keeping your lunch cool. And finally, number 8. Tension rod under the sink. Install a tension rod under your sink to hang spray bottles. This frees up space below for other cleaning supplies and keeps the bottles easily accessible. There you have it. 8 genius home hacks to make your life a little easier. Go ahead and give these a try. I promise you won't be disappointed. And don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.